Hello viewers, here is an SMC Shell Electric Manufacturing Company 36-inch decorative ceiling fan, the Laguna 36. This was sold at the Walmart. I have to believe a quality product was sold at Walmart, but it was. And it cost $36.87. This is the polished brass and brown model, made in Hong Kong. I believe this has been opened at some point and then it was taped shut again. Here's some more information, including but not limited to a date code. So this was from the July of 1985. I like the 80s so much. And there's other informations. I will put in the description that nobody reads the inflated value of $36.87, just so we have an idea of what it would have cost in terms of today's buying power. I think this has been opened at some point and then it was taped shut again, but let's open it up once again. Okay, so inside here we have some documentation. This is the warranty card. And this is the instruction manual. Not quite sure how it's... oh, there we go, something like that, okay. Some different specifications. I'll put together a slideshow of this manual. I'll scan it and put it into its own video along with this piece. Inside the box we have tassel and some screws and wire nuts, more screws, badges, this is the blades are balanced in each carton. I have to wonder if they really do that or not. And here is the fan itself. It's heavy. It's a huge motor. I suspect the bearings are probably shot in this. They almost always are when it comes to SMC fans. Let's see. Actually, they don't seem too bad. Slight noise. Let's turn this thing off here. Actually, they're not bad. So we'll be able to install this right away. It's almost totally certain I was going to have to change the bearings out, but that's Nice surprise. I do believe that's a cast motor. Take a look at the information's on there. There appears to be some kind of, maybe it was a lubricant or something that was sprayed in there at one point, coming out, I don't know. Could also be some kind of residue from the plastic that was on there. Mounting bracket. Pretty generic. Probably won't even use that because this bracket's already up there and it's the same size holes, so just keep the bracket that's there. Whoa. And then we have the blades. I don't know if these are reversible or not. I guess they're not. It's a different blade color than what's on the photograph. These look like they're kind of medium oak blades. Very lightweight and very thin too. So there's that. The SMC 36-inch Laguna. In the next video we'll get this hung up and test it out.